आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Welcome to Doubtnut. So this is the question. Find number of solution of the equation 2 sin x plus 5 sin square x plus 8 sin cube x so on up to infinity is equal to 1 for x belonging to 0 to 2 pi. So now we have this equation which is 2 sin x plus 5 sin square x plus 8 sin cube x so on up to infinity is equal to 1. So now multiplying with sin x. Multiply this whole equation with sin x, both sides. Multiplying with sin x on both sides. So let me take this equation as equation number 1. So what do I get? I get 2 sin square x plus 5 sin cube x plus 8 sin to the power 4x so on up to infinity, and this would be equal to sin x. Correct? Mark this as equation number 2. So now subtract 2 from 1. So subtracting 2 from 1, what do I get? I get 2 sin square x plus 5 sin cube x plus 8 sin to the power 4x so on up to infinity is equal to sin x, and this is subtracting from 2 from 1. So this is, let me write 2 sin x from here plus 5 sin square x plus 8 sin cube x and so on up to infinity, and this is 1. Correct? So subtract this, what do I get? Minus, 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 and obviously from here I'll also get minus, and so from here minus as well. So this would become 2 sin x, and this would be plus 3 sin square x plus 3 sin cube x and so on up to infinity is equal to 1 minus sin x. Correct? So my equation is now 2 sin x plus 3 sin square x plus 3 sin cube x so on up to infinity is equal to 1 minus sin x. So bring this sin x onto the LHS. So what do I get? 3 sin x plus 3 sin square x plus 3 sin cube x so on up to infinity is equal to 1. Correct? So now if I take 3 sin x, which is pretty much common over here, so 3 sin x, so it would be 1 plus sin x plus sin square x and so forth. It would be sin cube x so on up to infinity, which is equal to 1. So this is the sum of an infinite GP. Correct? This is the sum of infinite GP. And what is A in this? A is equal to 1 and R, the common ratio is sin x by 1, which is sin x, or you can take the second term as well, sin square x by sin x, so it will be sin x. So this is my R. So what is the sum of an infinite GP? S of n of infinite GP is A upon 1 minus R. Correct? So just multiply this. What do we get? We get 3 sin x into A, 1 upon 1 minus common ratio is sin x is equal to 1. Correct? RHS. So just transpose it over there. So what do I get? 3 sin x is equal to 1 minus sin x. Transpose the sin x onto the LHS. So what do I get? 4 sin x is equal to 4 sin x is equal to 1. So sin x from here is 1 by 4, correct? So let me draw the graph of sine from 0 to 2 pi. What do I get? So here is my graph of sine x from 0 to 2 pi. So we have got the value of 1 by 4 and we had to tell the number of solutions. So 1 by 4 will lie somewhere here, correct? So let me find the number of solution. How do I find the number of solution? By see the points where it is intersecting. So this would be my straight line, correct? This would be my line from 0 to 2 pi. So we have 1 point and 2 points, correct? So my number of solutions would be equal to 2. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।